Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the fungi, their contribution and their significant role in economy. Fungi is an important microorganism which are used in food industry, medicine, agriculture and chemical industry. In this video we are going to discuss different uses of fungi. Fungi are used as antibiotics in medical science. Antibiotics are the substances synthesized by certain microorganisms, that is, bacteria and fungi, to kill disease causing microorganism. Students, whenever you are writing the definition of antibiotics and when you are writing that antibiotic are the chemicals derived from microorganism, you are supposed to mention these microorganisms are bacteria and fungi, because we are not deriving antibiotic from all microorganism. I hope it is clear. Antibiotics are the substances, they are synthesized by certain living organism, that is bacteria and fungi, and have the capacity to inhibit the metabolic activities of other microorganism. Important antibiotics are produced by the mounds, that is fungi, which check the effect of disease producing bacteria, virus, protozoans, and all. The first antibiotic was penicillin. It was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Now, penicillin is used to cure pneumonia and other venereal diseases. Ephedrine, it is synthesized by yeast and used against asthma. Ergot is an antibiotic derived from fungi which controls bleeding during childbirth. And erythromycin, it is also an antibiotic which is derived from fungi and it is used against whooping cough and diphtheria. So you can note here that whooping cough and diphtheria are bacterial disease, but the use of them is or the antibiotic used for their cure is fungi. So no matter whether the disease is a fungal disease or a bacterial disease, we can use fungus antibiotic for curing any of the disease, but there is a specific antibiotic for a specific organism. Now, if I am talking about food industry, mushrooms are used for protein purposes. They are cultivated on a commercial scale for their nutritive value. They are rich source of protein and vitamins. They similarly, if we are talking about yeast, they contain high amount of vitamin B and vitamin E as well as protein. And yeast is used to cure certain vitamin deficiency diseases. Yeast is used to prepare idli, dosa, and in bakery industry also. This is a yeast which we use for for getting vitamin B, vitamin E, and certain amount of protein. Now there are certain fungi product which are used to synthesize fat and a protein, or to synthesize enzymes and vitamins, like aspergillus, which is used to make protein, and penicillin is used to make another kind of protein, and yeast is used to prepare fat. Similarly, aspergillus we can prepare a vitamin like enzymes like pectinase and enzymes like amylase. Okay, in next video we can see that there are certain fungi which is used in breweries. Fermentation of sugar is done with the help of yeast, in which we produce ethyl alcohol, and during this process carbon dioxide is released. In winemaking industry, we prepare alcohol from the sugar products with the help of fungi, and again the carbon dioxide is released as a byproduct. So fermentation of sugar is done by yeast to produce ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is released and ethyl alcohol is used in wine and other industries. It's not only used for wine, it is also used for industrial purposes. Now, fungi in bakery. In bakery, fungi is mixed, or yeast is mixed with the dough. It make the dough soft. It make the dough fluffy, and because of that we can have fluffy cake. Actually what happened, we use yeast, and this yeast divide inside the dough and produce more and more yeast, which increase the volume of the dough, and because of that it become fluffy. Now, fungi is used in making cheese, and that is penicillin and aspergillus. Penicillin and aspergillus presence give a specific flavor in cheese. Fungi in chemical industry. There are certain chemicals like citric acid, gallic acid, gluconic acid. They are synthetically prepared with the help of fungi, specifically from the Aspergillus genus. There are certain fungi which are used to increase the soil fertility. Fungi are generally saprophytic, means they grow on dead and bodies of plants and animals. They decompose the uh, complex dead bodies into a simpler one with the help of enzymes, and they help in the recycling of the biochemicals or recycling of the minerals present in the soil. They improve the soil fertility, and generally the presence of certain fungi, but not all fungi improves the soil fertility. There are certain fungi which causes disease also. There are certain harmful activities of fungi. They cause disease like hay fever in human being, allergies, thrush, ringworm. In hay fever, we have cough and fever. In thrush, there is a lot of fungal deposition on our tongue, which makes our tasting capacity poor and gives sometimes sensational irritation. And ringworm is a disease. It is a dermal disorder. Means ये generally skin के ऊपर होता है, scalp पर हो सकता है, जिससे रैशेस बन जाते हैं, इचिंग होता है, हॉटनेस हो जाती है, एंड इट मे स्प्रेड फ्रॉम वन ऑर्गन टू अनदर ऑर्गन इफ इट विल नॉट क्योर on time. Disorder in plants by fungi. It causes a disease, downy mildew of grapes, late blight of potatoes, rust in wheat, smut in corn, leaf spot in groundnut. There are lot many other diseases which are caused by fungi in plants, and every year lot of crops are wasted because of the fungal disorders. So time to time we have to use certain kind of fungicide to kill the or to stop the growth of fungus to prevent our crops. Now, if I am talking about the structure of yeast, it is only a unicellular fungi. It respire anaerobically. It grow easily in sugar solution and cause the fermentation. By the fermentation, it produce alcohol and carbon dioxide, and it it is having a distinct cell wall, and that cell wall is generally made up of pectin or may be made up of cellulose. They store food in the form of glycogen. Nucleus is well developed, nucleus is present. Here I would like to add one thing, that fungi, if you want to see fungi on some of the food items and all, you found sometime a small thread like structure, and these small thread like structure are hyphae, and the mass of hyphae is called mycelium. So these hyphae spoil the food, these hyphae spoil the cloths and some of the I mean our items which are present in homes, like they can spoil our shoes, they can spoil leather bags, they can spoil our newspapers, they can spoil our in our books. If you have noticed, sometime in our books we found that there's a specific smell and a small black dot like structures are visible. यदि बुक्स को हमने बहुत टाइम के लिए स्टोर किया हुआ है या न्यूज़पेपर को बहुत टाइम के लिए स्टोर किया हुआ है, दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फंजाई. Similarly, in rainy season, in on our shoes or an umbrella which remain sometime wet, a small plastic white color coating is visible. That plastic coating is also fungi. Many of the time you forget your lunchbox in school. अभी तो lunchbox is missing nowadays. But anyway, when you forget your lunchbox in school and some chapati is there, so next day you found some blackish and greenish fiber like structure on that chapati, that is fungi. Okay, so this all I want to discuss about fungi. Please do all the question answer which is given in your book exercise or text exercise. I will share their solution, and later on we will discuss few more questions related with the bacteria and fungi. Till then, take care. Goodbye.